Hey, do you want to learn how to use VEO3 in Canva Mobile? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. Over here, I'm on my Canva Mobile app and I'm going to select the AI on the top. Click on here. Then it's going to open up this pop-up, this whole prompt bar. On it, you need to select create a video clip. You do need Canva Pro for this. So make sure that you've got the Canva Pro before you continue. So once you've selected it, in describe your idea on the top, press here. And then you need to type in something like this: generate a vlog video which includes a panda in dark scary forest saying, and then in it you can describe what would you like the panda to say. For example, if you want him to say something else, you can do that. You just need to type it here in these quotation marks and it's going to say exactly the same thing. So I'm going to show you some examples that I've generated with it. You can see here, this is one of them. This script was generated with the help of ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT to generate scripts. And take a look at the video here.
All right, crew, meet Nova, the coolest tracker in the tundra.
Let's go find that frozen anomaly before it finds us.
Now, if you want to use it in your Canva editor, you can click here on this button. Or if you want to download it to your mobile, you can click here on this button. And yeah, I'm going to show you one more. This was a beach vlog with Brown Yeti. So let's go inside here. This was the prompt for it. And you can see that I've typed in what it has to say. So let's take a look at it.
Come, let's jump in the water.
All right. Now, like I said before, you can use the Canva editor. And if you want to download it to your mobile, you can click here to download it. With Canva Pro, you can generate 5 VEO3 videos per month. And after that, you need to wait for the next calendar month in order to generate more VEO3 videos with Canva AI. And yeah, that's it. That's how to generate VEO3 videos in Canva AI. I hope this video helped solve the problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more Canva related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.